Welcome. In this demonstration, we are looking at the Auto Start Scan function within a Brother device. Auto Start Scan enables the following: fully automated scanning, one scan location, device panel locked to a single function. A short video will now play demonstrating this function. This device has been configured with the Auto Start Scan feature. When inserting the document into the device, you can see the scan automatically starts. No further user action is required. In this demonstration, I will use two model variants. They have different screen sizes. Therefore, the options will be in different locations. Select Settings from the home screen. From the Settings menu, select General Setup. Within General Settings, Auto Start Scan mode is set to off. Select Auto Start Scan mode. The On option is greyed out, meaning the feature is unavailable until programmed. Let's look at how to program this feature. Select the Home button on the panel. From the home screen, select either Custom 6 by using the scroll bar or select Shortcuts. If you see a similar screen to this, you are ready to program. If you see a similar screen to this one, you need to scroll with the arrows until the screen shows Auto Start Scan. Select the plus symbol on the screen to set up a shortcut for the Auto Start Scan feature. The shortcut can be set to any of the available locations on the device. In this example, I will select to PC. To set up the scanning preferences, scan settings are required to be set as Set from Computer. In order to do this, select Options, select Set from Computer. This section is to set the scanning preferences. If none are selected, the device will use the default settings. Select Save as Shortcut. Select the green OK button. Shortcut name. Type a name for the shortcut using the on-screen keyboard. Once the shortcut is named, select the green OK button. Once you have pressed the OK button, the following screen will be presented. As we are setting up the Auto Start Scan, we don't need to activate the one-touch shortcut option shown here. Select the green OK button. Once you have selected the OK button on the previous screen, the device will go to the main screen. Auto Start Scan has now been programmed and is ready to be activated. Select Settings. In the Settings menu, select General Setup. Within General Settings, we can see that the Auto Start Scan mode is off. Select Auto Start Scan mode. The Auto Start Scan On option is now available to select and is not greyed out as previously shown. Select the On option. The device display screen will now change. The screen now shows the Auto Start Scan only and is ready to scan once a document is detected in the ADF, the automatic document feeder. All other functions and features are not available when your device is in the Auto Start Scan mode. To switch Auto Start Scan off, select Settings, when in the Settings menu, select General Setup. Within General Settings, select Auto Start Scan Mode. Auto Start Scan is currently on. Select Off. Once Off has been selected, the main screen will be presented on the device. The device is now fully accessible for all other menus. Thank you for watching.